Hello dears, myself Dr. Ashik. This video, as you have seen the thumbnail, what is Croc 1 exam, right? So Croc 1 exam, not only Croc 1, what is Croc exam? Croc 1 and Croc 2. These are the license exam for the students studying medicine in Ukraine for dentistry and medicine. Like first they will write Croc 1 at their third year and Croc 2 in their graduating year, that can be in sixth year for medicine and fifth year for dentistry students. So what is the objective or what is the vision of this exam? Actually, why the ministry, Ukraine ministry have tried to make this exam this third year or in the sixth year, right? See, as you know, when students come to Ukraine in first year, not everyone is same. Some people, they will study gradually. So for them, it's very easy to clear this exam. But at least some people, those who are bad at studies before, at least in third year, they will try, they have a motto. They only knows that when they pass the exam only, they will go to fourth course, an official exam. It's an whole country exam, so they have to pass it. So they will compensate what they missed in their first course, second course, like we have 9 subjects: anatomy, medbio, histo, physio, biochem, path physio, path morpho, and pharma, and microbiology. All these 9 subjects, there were questions like the marking pattern, everything. Like every year they are following different thing. Now we have 150 questions. Out of 150, 90 to 91 questions they need to pass the exam. So some students, they will think they have to study ministry books or basics or previous year's papers. Some seniors told them like that. Completely false vision or false knowledge they got. So that is a bad objective you are having, to repeat the thing, to repeat the just by heart the question paper or basic, right? The ministry's aim was to make you prepare for the first, second and third course subjects in a proper manner to make your basic stronger. So never ever study Croc things just by hearting question and answer. That will be very useless later. When you are studying, understand and study so that it will help you for the future. Similar manner, in the sixth course also you have exam. The sixth year you are preparing for your final year. It means soon you are going to write Indian license exam, IMLE or IFOM or PLAB or USMLE. So anyhow you are studying. So study in a manner that is useful for your future. Don't listen to your seniors or someone that I have to study 10 years paper or base or something, right? And don't take Croc exam as something just to pass your third course. Take that as an opportunity to cover what you missed in your first year, second year, third year. Anyone can pass Croc. It's very easy exam. But our objective is not that, not to pass that. Our objective is I need to cover what I missed in my third year and fourth and fifth year. That will be in sixth year Croc, so that I can compensate. So that is the motto of the exam. So once again, Croc exam just doesn't mean just to study the question paper or base and come to the answer and vomit it and pass the clear. No, the objective, what is the ministry thinking? So to get it back, what you have not studied in your first year or second year, so that will be done by third year, and what you missed in your fourth year, fifth year, again in sixth year. Because every students are not saying, some students they will study little, some will be studying proper, others will not study. For them, that is the best thing that Ukraine ministry is doing for the students. So take Croc as for you, not for the ministry or someone, to invest in you so that you can validate yourself in your country. It can be Ukraine. After Ukraine, you can go to your country like Palestine, Israel, or India, or UAE, or Qatar, wherever different parts of the world. Because everyone will pass Croc 1 and Croc 2. It doesn't mean they will pass their country exam and they will be a valid doctor in their country. For that, you have to make your basic stronger, your clinical subject stronger. For making the basic subject stronger, we have Croc 1. To make your clinical subject stronger, you have Croc 2. So, just to go and rock the Croc. If anyone need any help for this exam, serious students, you can text me. I'm doing classes for that. Or if you need any guidance, not in the class, you can just to contact me. I will reply you. You can comment here or you can text me in the WhatsApp. Or if some students who want to study USMLE separate or IFOM separate or PLAB or IMLE separate still, or Indian license exam separate, still they can also contact me. Thank you. Hope I cleared that dilemma of Croc. So Croc is simplest exam in the world, and the vision of Croc is as I told. Thank you.